welcome to another video. I'm Paps, and I was bored and thought that this was a good time to restart the Lego episodes. So he'll have a showcaser stage, which may be good for you if you have any Lego channel and you want to showcase any prop you want to do. For now, I will be using this to show every prop I have. Okay? So, I hope you like it and have a great time. And by the way, these are the next materials you will need.
Good morning! おはようございます。森尾町ラディオ。今日のお相手は私、あなたの隣人、甲斐原田。すがすがしい朝ですね。そんな一日の始まりにふさわしい曲です。
And that's it. Now you know how to make a Lego showcaser stage. If you like it, please subscribe, like and comment if you want, of course, for more content. It's me, Paps, and have a wonderful day, my lads.